process begins with lead generation, where the system captures a new prospect data for Mydin. We have created a new lead for restaurant Serambi Odoo. Since the lead is now qualified, the salesperson in Mydin will convert it to an opportunity. This action immediately moves the prospect into the visual sales pipeline and creates a new customer record.
Product as on what type it is either is goods, service or combo, and this is the invoicing policy or how the invoice quantity ordered by the customer, or for delivered quantity, invoice quantity is delivered to the customer. So we can click here, save, and as we can see, the product already put in here. So here are the total quotation for 3 of the products. So if we want to proceed, just click on send and see here. Okay, here are the quotation or the document layout configuration. So this is the how the quotation would look like to the customer itself. So you just go to continue. So after that, we can click on confirm. So we'll go to the sales order. So this is the total of our sales and so on. Total in the quotation. And here we can click on create invoice. So here are the create invoice type. It's either regular invoice, down payment, or down payment for fixed amount. So we just go with regular invoice, create a draft. And after all of this, we can click on confirm if the invoice are correct. Click on confirm. We'll go to this page, which we can see there's option for send, print, and also pay. If we click on the send, it will send it to the customer itself. So if we click on print, the company can save their own copy for the invoice itself. So if we go back to the pipeline, we can, as I have said before, we can move the card according to the which part in the opportunity that we want to put. So for example, I will go to the contract winning or mana contract. So as we can see, we have secured ourselves our first deal. And for example, if we want to update Ahmad gross opportunity into the pelanggan tetap or a regular customer, can also drag it here, and the amount will be updated here. To our second part, which is the sale parts, where over here, as we can see, we already go to the sales module. If we click on orders, and here we can see all of our orders that have been completed by the customer itself. For example, Ahmad Grocer here, and this is their orders before. Okay, if we go back to quotations, we'll see all the quotation info. For the sales teams, it will show us the amount of the quantity ordered or the amount of the product ordered by the customer. And then we can go to the products, and here on the product, as we can see, we can save all of the product types or the product that we sell. As for example, if I click on here, it will go to here, which is the name of the product and also one of the things that we want to sell. For the sale reporting, as usual, we show how the sale analysis are being done, like the previous one. And this, on the product reporting, as we can see, we have 3 types of product that already been ordered by the customer, and here it will show us the quantity of the product that has been sold to the customer itself, and also the percentage of the product from the total of our sales.